Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare Jeer Miria Kadhi. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 6 to 7 garlic pot, 2 to 3 Kashmiri dry red chili, half teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, marble sized tamarind, coconut oil enough for roasting the spices, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add the coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, into this transfer the cumin seed and the whole black pepper. Now saute and cook this in low to medium flame until the whole black pepper and cumin seed begins to crackle. Next into this add the Kashmiri dry red chili and the freshly grated coconut and give everything a good mix and saute this until the freshly grated coconut turns slightly aromatic and the dry red chili turns into a darker shade. Finally into this add the tamarind and the turmeric powder and give everything a good mix. Saute and cook this further for another 1 or 2 minutes in low to medium flame. Now transfer the roasted masala into a mixer jar and add little water, about 1 cup to be precise, and grind this into a fine paste. Once the ground masala paste is ready, set this aside and next take another thick bottom kadai and into that add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, into this transfer the garlic pot and saute and roast this until the garlic pods turn golden brown. Now transfer the previously prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer jar with 1 cup of water and add that as well. Give everything a good mix and finally into this add salt as per taste and mix everything once again. Now simmer and cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. Keep stirring the mixture occasionally so that it's uniformly cooked. Now our delicious Jeer Miria Kadhi is ready. Now transfer this into a serving bowl and enjoy your dish. This is usually prepared during winters and served along with rice. It is also prepared for new or lactating mothers. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and for more vegetarian recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.